everyone, Michelle here from Pink Pop Shapes. In today's video, I'm going to be playing around with this Play-Doh set that I got whilst I was in Japan at Harajuku. It's the burger set. It's adorable. All the instructions are in Japanese, but there's pictures and I think it's pretty easy enough to follow. I don't usually play with clay though, so hopefully it works out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's open this up first and see what we've got. Okay, so I haven't opened it up yet. So let's do that. Yeah. Oh, I have a knife for this actually. I don't know why I'm using these scissors for. Anyway. The packaging is so cute, guys. Oh no! Oh! A rolling pin! Blue. Blue is my favorite color. I think that's to make the fries. Oh! Look at the packaging! So cute! Oh my goodness! Alright. And then the clay, I think it's air dried clay. It's really soft. Soft and squidgy. Alright, let's move this aside. After a bit of fumbling around, organising my craft space and taking everything out of the packets, I was finally able to begin. So I started by rolling out some yellow clay and sticking it into that funny yellow device to make some French fries. Then I took some more yellow clay and rolled it out to make a slice of cheese. Next, I mixed up some yellow and blue clay to get green. And then with the mold, I made lettuce and pickles out of the green clay. Then using the same mold, I made some tomato slices out of the red clay. Next, I mixed some yellow, blue and red clay to get brown so that I could make the beef patty using the mold. Okay, so I ended up cheating and using some light brown clay that I got from Daiso to make the buns. Saved me a lot of time, and also I was running out of clay from the kit to make the other parts. I made the nuggets next by mixing up some blue, yellow and red clay. The nuggets ended up being a bit of an ordeal because I ran out of clay and could only make 3 of the same color. Now it was time to assemble everything together and add on the finishing details. I ended up making a few more fries and nuggets to make the boxes look a bit more fuller, but I actually ran out of yellow clay and had to use some other colors for the nuggets. So if you actually look really closely, you'll see that some of the nuggets are a bit off color and actually look a bit moldy. But there you have it, all complete, and I can safely say that I probably won't be doing too much clay in the future. Hope you enjoyed that video and I'll see you next week. Bye!